This is number 3 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says which expression is equivalent to the square root of 50. So if you have a calculator, you can easily type in the square root of 50, press enter, and get a decimal, and then you can do the same with letter A through D to see which of these answer choices gives you the same decimal number. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to solve this by hand. So the square root of 50 can be rewritten as the square root of 2 times the square root of 25, because 2 times 25 is 50. So we can't simplify the square root of 2, but we can simplify the square root of 25 because 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So this would be equal to the square root of 2 times 5, which we can just rewrite as 5 square root of 2. So that's the same thing as 5 times the square root of 2. So now if we look at our answer choices, we see that letter B says 5 square root of 2, and that matches what we have, and so we're going to go with letter B. If you're struggling in Algebra 1 or you're just preparing for the Algebra 1 EOC, I want to invite you to try out my platform that I designed for students and parents that need extra help with Algebra 1. You'll get access to every single lesson you'll ever need for Algebra 1, almost 1,000 practice problems with explanations that you can go through, and you can compete with everybody else on the platform to see who can earn the most points from completing lessons and quizzes. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description.